How to get the repost button on TikTok on iPhone. In order to have the repost button, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. In order to check it out, head over to your app store. In the source bar, search for TikTok. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your app. Once you have the latest version of the app, simply open it. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Now you have to move into the video that you want to repost. Let's say I want to repost this video. What you want to do is tap on the share icon. In here, you'll get to see the yellow button which says repost. Simply click on it. Tap on OK. And there you go, this video has been reposted. Likewise, you can repost any other video that you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get the repost button on TikTok on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.